Okay guys, this is just a little moan of my own about the Parrot Bebop 2 firmware update 4.4.0. As you'll see, when you come to land it, no, not when you come to land it, when you bring it down, when you descend, it starts bouncing around, up and down, up and down, up and down. And when you press the land button, it does land normally, but the bouncing up and down was not there on the last update, but now it is. So for any of you that are having the problem or not having the problem, please comment below and let me know. As you'll see, she's bouncing, and then when I press the land button, she lands normally. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.